Today date is 22nd June 2024. Mainly 6 plants we have planted today. This is macadamia in the line of the badami plant. Just behind these two coconut trees is one macadamia. Next is this is Vietnam jackfruit in the same line. Next is butterfruit. I got it from Hasiru Agro near Kengeri. Another macadamia. There's also another Vietnam jackfruit. And finally one more butterfruit is also grafted, again from Hasiru Agro, Kengeri. It's planted right in front of the badami tree. In total 6 plants. Date is 22nd June 2024.